Guys, so something huge is happening with Bitcoin behind the scenes, and I will explain you what. This basically is the reason why we could see Bitcoin pumping over $80,000. So what is happening? In 2014, there was this biggest exchange back then was the Mt.Gox. Now, back in 2014, Bitcoin cost around $600 per one Bitcoin. And the thing that happened was this. Basically, in 2014, the Mt.Gox went bankrupt because there was a big haste, big hack, and many of the customers, the investors, lost billions of dollars. Now, 10 years later, they are basically paying all the customers, all the investors that lost their money. So based on the sources, in the next 7 to 14 days, they will pay out around 46,000 Bitcoins. And that is worth around $2.7 billion. So this is one of the biggest reasons in the summer why Bitcoin hasn't went past $73,000 per Bitcoin. So in the next 7 to 14 days, they will pay out the customers and investors this $2.7 billion. And that's when the selling pressure will be gone. And in my opinion, we will see a new Bitcoin all-time high in August. That's my prediction. And this is not a financial advice, but this is just something that most people don't know about. That's why I wanted to make a video. And maybe now you will understand why Bitcoin hasn't been going up to 70 or even 80,000 mark. Another bullish thing is the Ethereum ETF that is coming most likely next week. So we will definitely see $5,000 per Ethereum sooner than later. In the peak, we might see 10,000, maybe even $12,000 per Ethereum. So I'm really bullish right now. So basically look out for announcements about this Mt.Gox payout, where they will be paying out 48,000 Bitcoins to the customers and investors. And this is crazy that this happened in 2014, the bankruptcy of Mt.Gox, and now the people are being paid out, basically paid. Back then Bitcoin cost only $600. So they are basically getting 100x, because 600 times 100 is 60,000, the Bitcoin price right now. So this is insane for the people that got their money back. So these are definitely a great news, because after this selling pressure is gone, we will see a new all-time highs of Bitcoin, new all-time highs of all the altcoins. And yeah, 2025 will be the biggest crypto run ever, because we have the institutions, we have the BlackRock, we have everyone buying the Bitcoin ETFs. This will be the most insane crypto bull run. That's why keep your eyes peeled on gaming tokens, AI tokens, RWAs, real world assets backed by BlackRock. The BlackRock is pushing real world asset projects. That's why keep your eyes wide open on this space, especially on the next 7 to 14 days, when they will basically pay out the remaining Bitcoins from this Mt.Gox bankruptcy back in 2014. Many people will be happy. Many people will be selling because they bought Bitcoin at 600. Now they will be able to sell at 60,000. And there is a big chance that people that will got their Bitcoin from this Mt.Gox bankruptcy, they will not actually sell, they will invest in altcoins. That's why this is really bullish. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT and airdrop alpha, you can follow me on my Patreon. I'm posting daily updates about this crypto market and all the opportunities, all the airdrops, all the NFTs, because I think NFTs will come back as well. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.